Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Auto Tech. Are you looking for the top 5 best 4K mirror dash cams front and rear in 2024? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best 4K mirror dash cams front and rear in 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Wolfbox G900 4K 2.5K Rearview dashcam is a cutting-edge device designed to enhance your driving experience with top-tier recording and monitoring capabilities. Featuring a 12-inch IPS screen, this dashcam provides clear, high-definition visuals that make it easy to monitor the road in real time. The front camera records in stunning 4K, capturing every detail with precision, while the rear camera offers a 2.5K resolution, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. One of the standout features of the G900 is its wide dynamic range WDR technology. This ensures optimal performance in various lighting conditions, reducing glare and enhancing visibility, even in low-light environments. The 170-degree field of view FOV from the rear camera provides a wide-angle perspective, helping to eliminate blind spots and ensuring that you have a complete view of the road behind you. Additionally, the G900 comes equipped with a GPS module, which records your driving route, speed, and location data, offering valuable information for reviewing footage. The Stream Media function allows the rearview mirror to display real-time footage from the rear camera, providing a safer and more reliable driving experience. With its advanced features and user-friendly interface, the Wolfbox G900 is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a reliable and high-quality dashcam that enhances both safety and convenience on the road. Whether you're a daily commuter or a long-distance traveler, this dashcam ensures that every journey is recorded in crystal clear detail. Number 2. The JOMISE 4K mirror dashcam is a cutting-edge car accessory designed to enhance your driving experience and safety. Featuring a stunning 11 IPS touchscreen, this rearview mirror camera delivers crystal clear 2160p video resolution, providing you with detailed footage of your surroundings. The 4K front camera ensures that every moment on the road is captured with precision, whether it's day or night. One of the standout features of the JOMISE dashcam is its dual camera setup, which includes both front and rear cameras. This provides comprehensive coverage, making it easier to monitor traffic conditions and capture incidents from multiple angles. The rearview mirror doubles as a display, giving you a live feed of what's behind your vehicle, which is especially useful when reversing or parking. The Type-C interface ensures fast data transfer and reliable power delivery, while the user-friendly interface makes navigation and settings adjustments a breeze. With features like loop recording, G-sensor for collision detection, and night vision, the JOMISE 4K mirror dashcam offers a complete package for drivers who prioritize safety and convenience. It's an ideal upgrade for any vehicle, providing peace of mind on every journey. Number 3. The Redtiger T700 rearview mirror camera is a premium dashcam that offers cutting-edge features for enhanced driving safety. With its 11-inch 4K UHD front camera and 1080p rear camera, this device provides crystal-clear video footage, capturing every detail on the road. The wide-angle lenses ensure a comprehensive view, reducing blind spots and enhancing overall driving awareness. One of the standout features of the T700 is its integrated GPS, which tracks your driving route and speed in real time. This is especially useful in case of accidents, as it provides critical data for insurance claims. The parking monitor feature offers 24/7 surveillance, automatically recording any incidents when your vehicle is parked. Night vision capabilities ensure that the camera performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions, capturing clear footage even on the darkest roads. The Smart Reverse feature simplifies parking by displaying real-time rear camera footage on the mirror, with parking guidelines to assist you. The T700 is designed for easy installation, replacing your existing rearview mirror. Its intuitive touchscreen interface allows for effortless navigation through settings and video playback. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, the Redtiger T700 is a reliable and versatile companion for your journeys. Number 4. The Redtiger T27 mirror dashcam is an advanced driving accessory that combines cutting-edge technology with practicality. This rearview mirror camera offers a 4K front camera and a 2.5K rear camera, ensuring crystal-clear video quality from both angles. Its 11-inch UHD touchscreen makes it easy to navigate through settings and playback recordings, providing an intuitive user experience. The T27 excels in low-light conditions with its superior night vision capabilities, capturing clear footage even in the darkest environments. This feature is crucial for nighttime driving, as it enhances safety by providing detailed recordings. Additionally, the built-in GPS tracks your route and speed, adding another layer of security and information for potential incidents. Installation is straightforward, with the camera easily attaching over your existing rear-view mirror. The sleek design integrates seamlessly into your vehicle's interior without obstructing your view. The backup camera feature provides accurate guidance when reversing, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. Overall, the Redtiger T27 Mirror Dashcam is a versatile and reliable option for drivers looking to enhance their safety and record their journeys in stunning detail. It's an excellent investment for anyone seeking a high-quality, user-friendly dashcam solution. Number 5. The JOMISE 4K 2.5K Detached Rearview Mirror Camera is a cutting-edge dual-camera system designed to enhance your driving experience and safety. This 10.88-inch mirror dashcam offers a stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and a 2.5K resolution for the rear, ensuring crystal-clear footage from both perspectives. The mirror design seamlessly integrates into your vehicle, replacing your standard rearview mirror with a high-definition display. One of the standout features of this dashcam is its detached design, allowing for flexible installation and positioning of the rear camera. This makes it easier to capture the perfect angle, whether you're backing up or monitoring traffic behind you. The JOMISE camera also includes advanced parking assistance features, such as a parking monitor that records any incidents while your car is parked, and a backup guide that helps you navigate tight spaces with ease. With its intuitive touchscreen interface, the JOMISE 4K 2.5K Mirror Dashcam is user-friendly and packed with features like loop recording, G-sensor for accident detection, and night vision for clear recording in low-light conditions. This device is an all-in-one solution for enhancing your vehicle's safety and providing peace of mind on the road.